Alright, so here's my 42-inch Emerson 1895 series ceiling fan. Sears Roebuck, for those of you who are familiar with it. Got this last year at Habitat for $15, and it's in Chesterfield Brown, which, last time you seen it, I had it with the brass blade brackets, which those actually came from my 52 sets of Emerson 1895 series, which I don't have the motor, but I have the four sets of blades, stencil blades. And what I really like about this fan, I like that canopy, which first time I see one of those is on the blender fan, which I really want those someday. And this is my first time owning one of these, and I love it. But I'll go ahead and demonstrate it with the light. I gotta turn it on like this because the pull switch is kind of stuck inside the light kit thingy. So there's your light. I don't know if I showed it yet, but there's the stencil. Very nice. Can't go wrong with stencil. Some people don't like it, which, it's fine. So I'll go ahead and turn it off. And we will start it on low. It's got a bass load to it. Great. We'll bump it to medium. As it's picking up speed. And it does make a rattle noise. I don't know where it's coming from, either coming from the screws to the motor or, well, one of the screws on the blade bracket, it's not tightened all the way like I expected to be, but, which I apologize by the noise. I'll have to fix that at some point. But it is cranking air on medium. And it's moving pretty fast on high speed. Like you said, you can hear the rattling. I need to fix that at some point. But it's a great air mover. I love it. I'll go ahead and turn, excuse me, turn on the light. And we'll go ahead and power it down. And it's got a long spin down too. Yeah, I think these are really nice fans. And also it's KB55 motor, as I've been told. And there you have it. Enjoy.